What's up? This is Ryan with Planet Cheapskate, and I'm excited to announce we've achieved what I thought at one point would be impossible. We now have over 300 subscribers in our community, and you know what that means? I'm going to be drawing for the winner of these three puppies right here. That's right, $300 worth of Amazon gift cards. But first, I just wanted to say thank you to all the subscribers. I truly am grateful for each and every one of you. And I'm excited for our trip straight to the moon because I'm going to keep on doing my best to pump out great content for you to watch and create an environment where we can all interact and help each other out. That is my goal for our channel. This is just the start, the incubation of our journey, and you can be certain that along the way, I will always be willing to give back to my subscribers and my community. So just wait, there are huge things coming in 2022. So I'm going to be drawing for the winner on Thursday the 16th via live stream. But before that, I just want to lay out a few rules that I've considered as we ran into a little bit of trouble thus far. First thing, the winner must agree to come on live stream to claim the prize, or it will be carried on to the next drawing. Second, the winner will have 1 week to come forward and contact me to claim their prize. And please remember, I can see if the actual subscriber who won is the one who reaches out. Third, the cards must be mailed out. I have to have a physical address. I will not read off the card info. It just seems too scammy for me. And the last but most important detail or twist is this. If you are a public subscriber and you go on your Facebook page and you share this video on your wall, then you will receive not one, but 2 entries to win. Then, if you leave a legitimate comment below on this YouTube video, not the Facebook post, but this actual YouTube video, you will receive 1 more entry. So that's a total of 3 potential entries to win $300. Now, if you are watching this and have not subscribed, this is why you need to go ahead and join our community. So I'm just going to freestyle here a little bit about the bank Squid games. Okay, so when you walk into a bank and you are trying to get approved or pre-approved for a home loan, they are going to go through their little spiel and they're going to take down your application and say you have a credit score of 600, but this bank only lends down to 620 and you're trying to get an FHA loan. They're going to tell you that you can't be pre-approved and you're going to give up, but that's not the case. That is an overlay that this bank has put on you. If you have an FHA loan, most lenders will go all the way down to 580. So there's 2 reasons why this banker may not tell you that. One may be ignorance. Bankers are notorious for just being 9 to 5 guys. They punch their clock, they get out, they don't do anything above and beyond. Okay, so it could be ignorance, or it could just be someone wanting to keep their pipeline going, okay? But what you need to know is you need to go out and you need to find a broker, okay? And not all brokers are created equal. There's a such thing as a wholesale, local broker, and a branch broker, okay? Branch brokers are better than bankers. However, they are working for a national company, kind of similar, probably sometimes even larger than the banks that you're going and talking to. So when they get the rates, they're going to have like an overlay not an overlay. Sorry, don't want to get you mixed up. But they're going to have a little. They're going to have software that blocks who the lender is that your loan is going to go to, and they're just going to see the top rate or the loan that lender has determined is the best for you. So when you go to a local broker, they don't have that software. You're going to give them your information. They're going to shop sometimes up to 50 different lenders. We use 50. Not all brokers use that many. Some of them use 10, 12, 13. However, you're going to be able to see a lot more options than if you went to a branch broker or a bank. So you go, how do you find out who's who? First question you need to ask is, are you a broker? If no, move along. Second question, if they say, yes, I'm a broker, say, are you a branch broker? Do you work for a larger chain, a larger lender that's not in the state? And if they say yes, that means that they are a branch broker. They're not going to use that term. They're just going to call themselves a broker, but they are a branch broker. You want to find a local broker who works for a small business, a local shop. That is where you're going to unlock the most amount of options for your loan. Okay, so just a little spiel there. If you don't want to get stuck playing the bank's Squid games that they make you play, I equate the Squid games, the bank's Squid games, to overlays that these banks put on. So, because they're never going to tell you that this is just specifically for them, that you can go across town, talk to a broker, and they can more than likely get you pre-approved. So educate yourself, subscribe to the channel. I'll have a lot more tips like this going forward, but hope that you enjoy that. Now, not only will I be giving away $100 per 100 subscribers all the way up to 1,000 subscribers, but I will also be releasing to my subscribers only totally never before released insider hacks in a 3-part series that will show you exactly, 1, how to buy a home with 0 out-of-pocket costs. And I'm not talking about 0 down payment, but you have to pay closing costs. I'm not talking about 0 closing costs, but you have to pay a down payment. I'm talking about 0 out of pocket. Now, with this detail, you can't be real picky. You can't have everything that you want, the best of all worlds. You can't have a low interest rate, low fees, everything like that, and still do what I'm talking about. No, this is for someone who has no money. You have good credit, you have decent employment, but you do not have any money to put towards the purchase of your home. This is a hack that you can use, but you have to be open-minded, okay? The second hack I'm going to share just with my subscribers, how you can live in a home with a mortgage without ever making a monthly payment, okay? So there's 2 ways to go about this, and I will show you both ways in that video. And finally, the very last one, I'm going to share with you a proven method to get an interest rate under 3%, regardless of the loan product, the lender, or the current market that we're in. You are going to get a loan under 3%, and I'm going to show you how in that video, okay? So here is the kicker. These videos will only be made available to my subscribers and not the general public. So not only will you get the chance to win up to $1,000, $100 each 100 subscribers, you're going to get mortgage market updates every week, real estate and home loan guidance, but now you will also receive subscriber-only content that up to this point and after this point will only be made available in a paid membership fashion. So again, subscribe publicly, comment on this video, share this video on your Facebook wall, and sit back and watch your name get picked. So hey, if you like this video, I'd like to welcome you to watch one of my other videos. Over here, I walk you through every major loan product available to you. And over here, YouTube has determined that you may enjoy this video. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, best of luck.